Welcome to the CRK show. And do you know what today we're gonna do? It's tea party. This is a giant cup. I can drink it too. Wow. This is from Zulu and this is Itty Bitty Pretty. It's all for 25 surprises inside the teacup. It got a golden thing, and let's tear it off to see inside. It got a big spoon too. Let's see. Okay, first we have to stir it up. Which way? This way? Oh. Wait, did it open? Did it open? Ooh, I opened it. Wow! There's two girls sitting down, waiting for the tea party. Are you ready? I'm so excited. Now we open right here. Ooh, yeah. Too heavy. Too strong. Wow, there's a lot. Huh? There's a surprise? What? There's a surprise? Inside here, me? Wow! What is this? This is the sugar. Wow. There's a surprise in here too. Wow, it's a sugar. It has sprinkle inside. There's yellow and blue. So cool. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. And there's a lot of surprise inside this teapot too. Wait a minute. There's more here too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Let's see what's inside here. What? Whoa. There's more surprise. It's a tea bag like my mom used to use. And this is for doing this. You had to put water in too. It's cool. Let's open another mystery box. More. There's one more tea bags. There's 2 to dip inside the cup. Dip. Yeah, there's a thing inside here. Now we're gonna open the blind bag to see what's inside. Right. Okay, let's see what's inside. I get the pink one. It's a hairbrush. So cute. It's for the doll. Here. It's a teapot. Do I have a cap? Oh yeah, I have a cap. The teapot, like the one we have. Oh! I think you got a pet. It's unicorn. I like it. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, there's a accessory for this girl. But dinner. Look at this teapot. Dinner. What's this? Wow! Look at this. Ooh, what's that? I think I got purple slime. Oh! What can it be? It's cookies! Ooh, look at this cup. Whoa. Look at this cup. It looks like ghosts. I like the pet. It's a dog. It's so pretty. Yeah. Whoa, I got more. Look. I think I got more slime. It's a blue slime. Wow. What do we got? Ooh, this is for cupcakes and plates. Yellow. Let's stretch them out. Purple. And this is purple. Let's stretch it out. Whoa. That is so cool. Ooh, ooh. Whoa. Ooh. Look. Wow. Whoa. There's a wow. Whoa. Wow. Want to do like this? Yeah! Like a rainbow. Looks like a rainbow. Huh. Ready for a teapot? Let's do it. First we need the tea. It's hot water. Hot. Oh! Wow, look at that. Oh, it's hot. That's enough. Okay, now we're gonna dip our surprise inside the water, the hot water. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay. Oh! Ah! It moved super fast. Is it hot? Oh, it's not hot. Just a little bit hot. Ooh. We review all this from the tea bag. The clothes. Now it's sugar time. Okay, I'm opening this. Whoa. Whoa. Too much. Oops. Wait, can we mix it like a tea party? Yellow? Yeah. Ooh, this is the ring. Whoa! Ow! This is the rings for the doll. You ready for the next sugar, the yellow one? Let's do it. Putting water in. It's hot water. Maybe that's no more. Okay, now we're gonna put the sugar in. Whoop. Do you hear the sound? I can hear the sound. There's a surprise. Oh, it's green! Let me try it. It's a tea? No, it's not a tea. It's not real tea. It's a toy. I think the blue and yellow are mixing to green. Right here. Like, whoop. Now I'm gonna put the dolls inside the clothes. 1, 2, 3, pop. Ta-da! My dolls are ready. Let's see what I got. I got this and the unicorn. Wow, this is so cool. I like it. I wish I got it. Time to make the cupcakes and follow me to it. Look at the muffin. Do you like the tea party with all these friends inside the tea party? Then thumbs up. I want more friends for the big party. Tea party, tea party. Do you like it? See you next video. Bye. Subscribe for my channel. Bye. You like it.